How to use keyboard shortcuts in Trello. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can use keyboard shortcuts in Trello. Using keyboard shortcuts in Trello can significantly speed up your workflow. And here is a guide on how you can do it. The first step is to log in into your into your Trello account and then navigate through to your bot. And once you've navigated through to your bot, go ahead and open up your bot. Okay, so once you're in the bot template or interface, you can see your cards, etc. Now, to open your bot menu, all you need to do is to press letter B on your keyboard. Okay, just press letter B. Yeah, so once you press letter B, the menu will be displayed. Now, to filter cards, press letter F. And then you'll be asked, immediately you press letter F, a box will be displayed asking you to enter a keyword using it to filter the cards. Now, to edit the title of a card, place your cursor on the card and then type letter T. And then once you press letter T, you'll be brought to the details page where you can now edit the title of the card. To create cards, ensure you hover on a particular card and then click on letter N. As you can see, immediately you click on letter N, you'll be asked to enter the title for another card. And then to archive a card, press letter C. All right. And as you can see, the card will be archived. All right. Just like that. And also, to scroll horizontally, you can just hold shift while scrolling with your mouse or to scroll left or right on the board. So these are just some shortcuts that you can use in Trello. Trello is a very keyboard friendly site. Okay, the site where you can easily use your keyboard as a means of shortcut. So this is it. I hope this story has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a good day.